It will automatically follow that, approximately. But it will not touch that line because if I have make my section curves here, अभी उसको मैंने थोड़ा ऐसा flatten कर दिया, तो मेरा ये curve जो था originally जिसके पास होता था उसको तो छोड़ दिया उसने. Now I will say make curves using this side curve, this section curve, and this curve also. Any software needs the curves to be intersecting to create a surface. In Rhino, you can create a patch. There are other tools. You can create a patch, you can create a drape, and so on in the surfacing tools where it will give you an approximate surface. It's a quick way of seeing कि मैं इतना मेहनत करूं भी कि वो पॉइंट को मैच करूं उसके ऊपर इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट को. उसके लिए क्या करने का? सिंपल. Create your section curves. If I now want every curve to meet that center line, center line से trim करके half को फेंक दो. Okay? Model only half. So when you are going to model only half, then your control point you can exactly pick up and place it on the line. Near snap on करके उसको line पे place कर दो और बाकी control points को ऊपर नीचे उठा के फेंक दो. That goes because if this is my control point, see this is my center line.
It's lower than the.
So the next one के lower या ऊपर होगा तो नहीं होगा. तो उस control point से straight line horizontal draw करो and match your next control point as near on the. You guys got this? Only then your mirror will be fine. That's why we discussed earlier. एक straight line draw करो, दोनों control points को उठाओ, फिर बीच में से trim करो. Because with respect to wherever you trim it, wherever is the center, from that point I need to have the next control point which is exactly horizontal. If it is not horizontal, when I mirror it, I won't get the center there. Okay? So, two approaches. Now, next step is you got your lines. You put in enough efforts to understand what is a good quality line. I think now everybody understands what is the meaning of less spans in the surface and a good quality line. Okay? What is a curvature graph and all. So, up till now, the key learning was if my curves are not good quality, my surface will be bad quality. So by now I think everybody understands what is the definition of a good quality curve. और उसको अगर मैं कुछ भी flow करता हूँ तो what is the meaning of a good quality surface? ठीक है? You understood what is the so उस surface को rebuild करो. You guys saw that mail? All of you guys saw that mail? Rebuild your surface and keep calculating. I should not run away from my surface too much because then वो center line जो है उस line को छोड़ देगा. But you don't want it to leave your main curves. But you still want the surface to have minimum spans. Why minimum spans? So that later I can hold 2 or 3 control points, pull, push to get my surface better or get better detailing in that. If there are too many lines and too many control points to create a surface, तुमको यहाँ लगेगा थोड़ा इसको दबाने का है, तो बहुत सारा कंट्रोल पॉइंट को होल्ड करके बहुत डिफिकल्टी के साथ मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. Okay, it's not efficient design. Okay, so now you've got the basics of how to get your curves right. Now next step is only think how to create the geometry. Okay, for that do this. Take a paper and a pen, draw a curve from here to here like this. Draw another curve from here to here like this. Break this up. Make this a geometric object. Then say, okay, between this and this, from here to here, there will be one fillet surface that will flow like this all across. So I will actually make only this as one piece. And I will make this as another piece going to the side. Then I will blend the surface. You remember the neck? Cylinder में हमने जैसे neck लगाया था. So if I consider that as a half cylinder and trim the whole thing into half, and then I consider that actually it was not a cylinder, it was a sphere. So if it's a half sphere with a neck merging into a flatter surface at the bottom, it is a half cylinder. It's a half cylinder which is more organic than just a not cylinder, sorry, sphere. So it's a half sphere which is trimmed at the back. Then bottom में this flat that you see, if this flat was extended, it was like that flat that we made that day. But now the flat also goes down. So actually what is this side geometry? It is one flat surface, another flat surface, another flat surface. So 3 flat surfaces like this, or actually one flat big surface, this curve falling on it and trimming it, and then getting extruded towards the back to create this geometry. And then top view में ये वाला जो curve है, now that is what you guys are missing. Many of you जो hidden curve है तुम बनाते नहीं हो. बिना hidden curve का मतलब ज्योमेट्री बनाने के लिए वो कर्व तो चाहिए ना. अभी ऊपर से तुम देखोगे तो ये जो इसके नीचे अंदर में कर्व है, because the surface is gone in and it has come out again. ऊपर में से तुम्हें अगर if everything was transparent तो वो कर्व भी होना चाहिए ना. वो कर्व अगर होगा नहीं तो उससे ज्योमेट्री कैसे बनाओगे? You get what I'm saying? So if you look at your product completely transparent, what all curves you need from top view, you need them. You can't do anything without them. So if it has gone in and then there is a transition, that does not mean that that curve is not required. That curve you still need to have in some view. So I will create this separately. ये plane बनाया, ऊपर का एक surface बनाया, नीचे का एक surface बनाया, और ये जो curve है उससे उसको trim कर. So now I have just this much surface here, right? मैंने ये curve बनाया जो पीछे तक गया, ये एक सेंटर लाइन कर्व बनाया, एक ऐसे कर्व बनाया जो कि फिलेट के साथ ऐसे नीचे आता था, इसके बीच में दो कर्व ऐसे और जॉइन किए और ये सरफेस बिल्ड कर दिया, राइट? So I have now this surface which stops here in a line that goes like this, and I have this side bottom piece which has another edge that stops somewhere here going down. Now I have to integrate these two. So I will create some curves like this. So before doing that, I have to have another surface at the bottom which comes like this, and goes like this at the back. Okay? So I have one cup. I have another cup. On the base cup, I put this and put a very small color. उसके साथ उसको चिपका दिया. अभी ये और ये एक पार्ट हो गया और ये पूरा का पूरा एक पार्ट हो गया. In 3D space, now I have this edge that goes up till back, and I have this edge that goes up till back, and I create another blend curve that joins these two, blend surface. Got it? So now you have everything in CAD. You will be missing some lines which are necessary, but you can figure out what you are missing only when you now start trying to model it part by part. So take your product, break it down into basic geometries. So I have a sphere which is ripped apart by a curve, that is one piece. I have another surface, so or you can actually consider this as a bulb shape which is trimmed. So I take a sphere, if I drag it, it becomes a bulb shape, a balloon shape like this. Then I cut it like this with a curve from here to here, and that is what I have on top. I need to model that. So I make it further half. I use one curve, I use second curve, I use third curve. These three curves I will get from my make 3D curve out of two curves, or just use directly what is there on one of the views. Then I need some additional geometry to define surface in between. That I will copy this curve, I will put it a little here, I will use the control points, and I will try and build the surface. Or I will use the sectional curves, use the three curves, make a section curve through them, and play around with that curve a little bit to get my three curves, and then flow them to create my surface. Okay? For now, if your surface is not following your curves exactly, don't worry. Get something. Okay? You need to now get that part and get this part and get this part and integrate them. Okay, it's not exactly my curve and it's not exactly, it's fine. First get it. In the next revision, once you know how to get it, then you can follow your curves exactly. पर अभी फटाफट दो कर्व बीच में बना के कुछ एक सरफेस बना दो. हाँ, ये बन गया. कुछ दो चार कर्व्स बना के नीचे वाला सरफेस बना दो. ये बन गया. वो एक नीचे वाला वैसे वाला सरफेस बना दो. वो भी बन गया. अभी बीच में एक ब्लेंड सरफेस डालते हैं. वो भी बन गया. So what is important now is only get your geometry right in your mind as to how your form is being broken into A, B, C, D, E elements, and how each one of those elements with minimum number of lines I am going to mark. Keep it simple. जितना ज्यादा लाइंस बढ़ाओगे उतना डिटेल ऐड करोगे उतना कॉम्प्लिकेट करोगे. Do only what is necessary to get your surface area. Got it? So अगर आप वो गेमिंग कंसोल कर रहे हो तो उसको पकड़ो, है हाथ में, ऑफिस में है किसी के पास, यहाँ पे है किसी के पास. So borrow it from him, take a pen or a chalk and draw on it what are the curves necessary to make that surface. It's actually an easy thing. बिकॉज उसको सेंटर से ट्रिम करने के बाद एक साइड में अगर एक टॉप सरफेस और एक बॉटम सरफेस को मॉडल करना, राइट? सो कंसीडर अ पार्टिंग लाइन अराउंड दैट यू हैव टू बिल्ड द टॉप सरफेस एंड द बॉटम सरफेस. ओके, सो इन द साइड व्यू योर साइड व्यू प्रोफाइल हैज टू बी ट्रिम्ड एट टू प्लेसेस. ये ऊपर यहाँ से यहाँ तक टॉप बनेगा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक बॉटम बनेगा. So you need to get a profile surface like this and a few curves coming like this and a few curves coming to make the top surface and then to make the bottom curve. वो curves क्या हैं? You have to see. तो वो सेंटर वाला सेक्शन जो बना रहे हो उसको भी ट्रिम करना पड़ेगा. उतना सिर्फ ऊपर वाला लिया, उसको ऐसे फ्लो करके ये ऊपर वाला बन गया. नीचे वाले को पकड़ के उसको ऐसे फ्लो करके ये नीचे वाला बन गया. ठीक है? So break it into half, then the rest half trim it into two, top and bottom. Individually the curves, and then get your top, get your bottom, mirror it, and then of course remaining detail.
Sir,
Supposing we have a form, but then there is like a recess in it. So first you just make the surface, right, and then you give the detail. If there's a recess or there's something coming.
Forget all details. Get your basic modeling principle is first of all get the basic form right. Then get the secondary details right, then the tertiary details. If you start modeling everything together, it's wastage of time. वो जो wheel भी, you started making that round thing the first. That is total wastage. That can be done at any point of time. It is one curve and another curve, sweet, done. No, don't make the wheels first and feel confident. मैंने तो 30% model कर लिया. समझ रहे हो? क्योंकि जो मेन दो सरफेस हैं, तीन सरफेस हैं, वही सब कुछ है. जो बन जाएगा वो तो बन ही जाएगा.
in my cabin which goes, there's a roof which actually follows the contour line of the overall form, but it's a little upward. I mean, can you separate it later or maybe make it into a different surface and offset and scale it down?
Take first surface, offset that surface, define its shape, shrink it a little bit, and then from here just rotate it.
That can be done later, right?
You get your basic forms right, whatever additional details that you have to put, which are parallel surfaces or something that comes out this way and this way both, वो उसको हम offset करेंगे, उसको थोड़ा rotate करेंगे, उसको trim curves के साथ trim करेंगे, हो गया. If you get your basic geometry right, getting all those details is not a problem. एक बार main surface बन गया तो that is all following that surface. Maybe with an increasing gap or decreasing gap, it's essentially following that surface. Right? So this is an important thing. Anything that is a detail on a surface is on a surface which is an offset of that surface. ठीक है? अब या तो वो बिल्कुल parallel offset होगा या वो थोड़ा, अभी ये अगर surface है, you have a certain detail that comes up. So now that comes up detail also is on a parallel surface. Right? So if I offset that surface and if I need an or मतलब more complex organic detail तो offset किए हुए को इधर से पकड़ के थोड़ा सा rotate कर दो. तो उधर में गैप बढ़ गया, इधर में कम हो गया. Now trim it and then create the blend curves joining to your main surface and all. Get your basic surfaces right. But before that, modeling is in the mind. अभी तक जो किया, that was also trying to visualize. You were going back from your 3D shape to 2D curves. Because without those curves, you can do nothing. Okay? Now you are again trying to rethink back your 3D shape. Now you have the curve, just think my surface needs what curves. मैं अपने surface को कैसे build करूँगा? एक methodology से नहीं होता है तो दूसरे से करो, तीसरे से करो. It's now innovation. What curves can give me this surface? Can two two surfaces give me this surface better with a blend surface? Can I make it just into one surface? Can three surfaces? Can a few boxes and surfaces? Can some booleans work? Can I just actually take a sphere, hold the control points and drag the control points of a sphere to make it an convolute bulb kind of a thing and trim it into half and then get that? Or should I can do that, right? I can just take a high definition sphere, just drag and pull the control points here, there and all. Take one surface, trim it from the front, take another surface, trim it from the back. Then again hold some lines or control points in that and drag them a little bit like this to flatten the surface a little bit and get it. So approach is up to you. But whatever approach you want to adopt, stop seeing the curves. Make your sketch and start drawing contour lines on the sketch. Then minimize the contour lines. कि ये 3-4 line I have to achieve and I'll build a surface using these 3-4 lines. ठीक है? The good point is that up till now what you have done, from that homework, whatever line you want to get, you can generate. इसको थोड़ा offset कर लिया, थोड़ा नीचे लेके साइड इसको थोड़ा pull करके यहाँ रख लिया. ठीक है? इसको थोड़ा डुप्लीकेट करके 3D स्पेस में यहाँ पे ले आएंगे, नीचे वाले कंट्रोल पॉइंट को उस कर्व के साथ जाके चिपका देंगे. चल मेरा एक और कर्व बन गया. Right? So now think creatively. You have all the curves. You need a few more additional curves here and there to create a surface. Make sense? And Kushal Bhai is a great faculty, but he's old school. Old school means you have to follow the Gestalt laws. Yes, you have to follow the Gestalt laws. But Gestalt laws were created 50 years back, 60 years back. At the time when they were created, the visual literacy and your ability to resolve clutter was far, far inferior. थोड़ा सा भी कुछ ऐसा हो गया तो confuse हो जाता है. It's like mosquitoes. When DDT was not there, first stroke of DDT all will die. When DDT happened, after sixth stroke, today mosquitoes have become immune to DDT. So the overall complexity of the system has increased by 3, 4, 5 degrees. So people who are updated of what is the latest can only figure out what is the level of complexity today a particular audience can handle. You get what I'm saying? So all feedback, all books, great. But what you have to actually see is in today's trend, today's people's literacy and understanding level, what works. Okay? If you look at images in Europe, wow, they don't even allow you to put billboards in a random way. Right? Even in a street, the colors have to match. If it is pastel warm colors, then in Germany there are streets which have all pastel warm colors from this street to that street. Then that is the cool street and this is the warm street and so on. Starting from the sun and the hill and the central part and going left, right. There are a lot of fundas that people have created as communities which they have followed to resolve visual clutter. So suddenly when they come to India and they see so many every gully mein, if you look at the shop ka boards, nothing will match, no font, no color, not even language, right? Going across from one corner to the other. So you are completely lost. You are not lost, they are completely lost. So a person who is used to of handling visual clutter up to an extent A, for him B is a big thing. We handle visual clutter which is at degree D or E. उसके बीच में भी खोज के कुछ तुमको जो जहाँ जाना होता है वहाँ पहुँच जाता है, right? In India, who travels with a map? Very, very few people. Still, you are able to find. Why? पूछ रहे थे किसी से. और अगर गाड़ी चला रहे हो तो इतना क्लटर है कि याद रहता है क्योंकि every corner is distinct. If you go to Chandigarh or if you go to Gandhinagar, every circle where you will be lost because every building around looks the same. So anybody who is used to of following the visual clutter to identify where they want to reach can never reach in such places. So there are different mental models, there are different cognitive models, and they apply to different audiences depending upon where they stand today. What are they able to manage and handle today in terms of complexity? So no rule applies to all. What applies is what is in trend today. आज की डेट में इंडिया में तुम 1000 यूथ को पकड़ो तो उसको क्या समझ में आता है, वो ट्रेंड अगर समझ में आता है तो यू कैन डिजाइन कि उसके 2 साल बाद के लिए क्या डिजाइन करो. वो नहीं समझ में आता है तो ना गेस्टाल्ट हेल्प करेगा, ना कुछ हेल्प नहीं करेगा. Okay, so it's ever evolving. The whole thing is ever evolving. So those basic principles you need to know. But at the end of the day, if you don't understand today, now, difficult to move forward. Make sense? So, I'm running. Here is your mouse. So, before you guys sleep tonight, I'm again telling you, whether you are able to get all your curves in Rhino or not to make the surfaces, I don't care. On paper, everybody should have resolved. मेरा पूरा मॉडल को मैं 4 सरफेस में ब्रेक करूंगा या 6 सरफेस में ब्रेक करूंगा. एक सरफेस में ये कर्व, मेरा स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है उससे बनाऊंगा. ये सरफेस को मैं ये कर्व लेके इसको ऐसा करके ऐसा बनाऊंगा. ये उसको फिर अचीव कैसे करना है वो मेरे से पूछो. लेट अस से यू डिसाइडेड ऐसा ये 3 और ये चौथे 5वें कर्व में मैं ये करूंगा. अभी इसमें मेरे को टूल नहीं मिल रहा है, या मेरा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, मेरा कॉर्नर मैच नहीं हो रहा है, या द ब्लडी राइनो इज नॉट मेकिंग दैट सरफेस और रिलेज इज नॉट मेकिंग दैट सरफेस. यूज मी फॉर दैट. ओके, बट हियर ऑन डोंट यूज मी फॉर हाउ शुड आई मॉडल. दैट शुड बी योर ब्रेन. आई एम द टूल फॉर द टूल. ठीक है, I can do it. I can in the next 1 hour make one sketch on each one's table as to how the surfaces should be broken, what all curves you need to use to make what. Okay, but then that's not your learning. Good, all the best. Ideally, you should have modeled all those curves after doing it on paper, and you should be attempting surfaces. And if you can finish your model, great, before you sleep. But worst case scenario, the least that I want is very clear understanding of मेरे surface में कितना curves मेरे को चाहिए minimum to get my surface right, और वो कहाँ पे कैसे बनेंगे जिनके basis पे मैं surface बनाऊँ. Technical difficulty of how to use those curves to make the surfaces I will resolve. How to make the surface, what contour curves I need, you have to resolve. Let's close this tonight. Then we have only tomorrow. By tomorrow evening you have to finish our models. If we close this tonight, by tomorrow morning, afternoon, I'll give you all feedback, whosoever is getting stuck wherever, so that we can finish the basic model. Final detailing and all we'll keep doing. But then you have to continue with your TCP also. Any other shakya sawal?
One is lock, one is sweep rate, and there is from network of curves.
Another one is drape. Quick visualization के लिए, if you have 5-7 curves, just drop a surface on it. It's like take a cloth, and if I have a wire mesh, I just throw the cloth on that. Drape. So वो drape करके देख लो, उससे फटाफट. It will not be a good surface. It will be a pathetic surface, but it will give you an idea कि कुछ ऐसा होगा. इन curves को use करके कुछ ऐसा होगा. चलो guys, all the best.
Yeah.